Ready to immortalize your Apex Legends skills and share your epic moments with the world? Start by ensuring you have a compatible Nvidia graphics card download and install the Nvidia GeForce Experience software if you haven't already. Launch the GeForce Experience, then navigate to the Drivers tab. Make sure your drivers are fully updated to avoid any recording problems, updating them if necessary. Move to the Settings menu, accessed by the cogwheel icon, then go to the General tab. Confirm the in-game overlay is enabled. It's crucial for ShadowPlay. Run Apex Legends while in-game. Use the Hotkey, usually Alt+C. To open the Nvidia overlay, make sure to use your preferred Hotkey if you remapped it. Within the overlay, access record to start and stop recordings manually, or use the instant replay feature to save the recent gameplay. Use the instant replay feature. Activate and customize highlights to record your best plays automatically. Configure where it saves these videos. Then share your highlights on social media. Go dominate.